This is how you get a Shopify Admin API access token. You will need this if you are building apps, automating tasks, or connecting third-party tools. First, go to your Shopify admin and click on Apps. And then at the bottom of the page, you usually see click develop apps for your store. But if it's your first time, you will have to enable this option manually. So in order to do that, just go to settings first. And then from the settings, click on apps and sales channels. You will then click on develop apps and then enable this. I have already enabled it. So now what you're going to do is to click on create an app and then give it a name, maybe app developer, something like this. And then after that, after the app is created, just click on create app. And then once it's created, you can go to configuration and then admin API integration and then click on configure. So again, let's click on configuration and then admin API integration. Just click on configure. Now choose the admin API scopes that you need, like read underscore orders, write products, etc. These define what your app can do. Save your changes after that. Let's just first maybe click on read customers or read apps and then write customers, everything that you want your app to do. And then after that, once again, just click on save. After saving this, all you have to do is to go to the API credentials tab and then click the install app at the top right. After installation, you will see your admin API access token. And then but here's the thing, you can only see it once. Now, what you're going to do is to copy and save it somewhere secure. Now, again, just hit on install. And then once it has been installed, you can see your API access token already. You can reveal it only once, and again, just copy and save this somewhere safe. Remember, anyone with that token has deep access to your store, so treat it like a password. If it gets exposed, go back and rotate it. And that's how you get your Shopify Admin API access token.